Hello, I'm Trish from Kuvings, and this is the SV400 vacuum blender. Blending with a vacuum blender can give you much more nutrition. So how does it work? By extracting the air from the jug, we're stretching the food fibres, enabling the blades to cut through more efficiently, resulting in a much smoother blend. And more importantly, without the air, we've minimised the destruction of nutrients and oxidation. You'll see the vibrancy of colour and taste the real flavour. With the touch of one button, we can make beautiful cashew cream. You'll need 2 cups of raw cashews, 400 ml of water, the juice of 2 lemons, and a pinch of salt flakes. Making your own cashew cream is quick and easy, giving you a 100% whole food that's high in protein and iron. This cashew cream is great for dips with tacos or as a creamy dressing on a salad. Storing what you've made is easy with the optional vacuum tumblers. This gorgeous Kuvings SV400 vacuum blender is available in 4 colours: red, black, pearl white and gunmetal grey. It's feature-packed with twin vacuum pumps, one on the motor and another in the lid. It's super quiet operation with the cone of silence, and one-touch operation with multiple programs. The vacuum and auto blend feature will deliver nutritious snacks and meals, or use the heat mode for making those warm raw soups. Another feature, this is great, is its self-cleaning mode. Just pour 200 ml of water and a little liquid detergent into the jug. Turn the dial and the cleaning mode does all the rest. The SV400 has a strong 2 horsepower motor, allowing you to blend up to 32,000 RPM. The key thing to remember is the vacuum technology helps preserve the goodness and flavour of raw fruits and vegetables. You'll see the difference in both the colour and the texture. It always tastes better with a Kuvings.